So here is another type of the question, that is find the remainder when the sum of the given series is divided by 4. Here is the series given, and what we have to check is that the sum of the series is divided by 4. The series given here is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus up to so on 100 factorial. So first what we have to do is solving this question. For solving, I know that 1 factorial is equals to 1 and 2 factorial is basically 1 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 2, and you can say and 3 factorial, that is equals to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is equals to 6, and 4 factorial, that is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, that is 24. Like that, these are the values of the factorials here. So as you can see on your screen that 24 is the common value and 24 is as a whole divided by 4, but if 6 is divided by 4, so 2 is the remainder. So I doesn't take this value 6, so I fix this term, that is 24. So that means 24 is divisible by 4, and the multiple of 24 is also divisible by 4. So if 24 is divided by 4, so remainder is 0. That means 24 is congruent to 0 in modulo 4. And I also write it as 24 is basically the answer of the 4 factorial. So that means 4 factorial is congruent to 0 modulo 4. Now in the next step, what we have to do is, that means if 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial up to so on plus 100 factorial is always congruent to 0 modulo 4, because 24 is the, you can say here 24 is the common in the 5 factorial, in the 6 factorial, and in the 100 factorial. So if I multiplied with 5, if I multiplied with 5 and 6, if I multiplied with up to so on 100 terms, then that means these all terms are also you can say are also the multiple of the 4. That means multiple of the 4, that means their remainder is always 0. So that means these whole values are always, if I add all these values like 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial up to so on 100 factorial, then their result is always congruent to 0. So that's why I write it like 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial plus up to so on 100 factorial is always congruent to 0 in modulo 4. And here what we have to do is we have to prove this sum of the series. So multiplying both sides with 1 factorial plus 2 factorial, adding both sides with this term, that is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial in the left side and also in the right side. So here is the left side and here is the right side. Now solving this factorial, so here is the 1 plus, you can say 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus, that is 6. So that means 3 plus 6, that is equals to 9. So I can write this term that 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus up to so on 100 factorial, that is congruent to 9 in modulo 4. But 9 is not basically the remainder. So I check it here, divided it with 4. So 4 to 8, 1 is the remainder here. So that means 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to so on plus 100 factorial, that is congruent to 1 in, you can say, in modulo 4. So 1 is the remainder here. So here in that question we have to find the remainder of this series. So remainder of this series is basically equals to